What do rising interest rates mean for your next property purchase? Stick around. Hey, I'm Sep Niakan, founder of Blackbook Properties and condoblackbook.com, and we're the only guide you need to navigate the Miami and South Florida real estate market like an insider. Today, we're going to talk about how interest rates are potentially affecting the South Florida real estate market and what that means for you. But first, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the amazing content on all things Miami that we're putting out every week. There is a lot of talk about rising interest rates and how they could affect the real estate markets, both nationally and locally, and we're paying attention. Buyers are wondering whether it makes sense to wait and see what the impact of increases in interest rates will be on the condo market here locally. But here's the thing, waiting for interest rates to go up isn't always the smartest move. Why? First, because your monthly cost of ownership increases if you wait and interest rates do go up, even if prices stabilize or go down. Also, specific to the Miami and South Florida market, we are seeing one of the strongest markets in years, really ever, driven by an incredible influx of people moving here. Interest rates going up don't really decrease someone's desire to move here. No state income taxes, new work from home rules, etc. So as long as they can afford to move here and buy here, what we are seeing is they will. And let's do a little math. Interest rates typically go up by 1/4 or 1/2 percentage points, which for an average mortgage can mean about an increase of a few $100s a month. What we've found is that the people who are making the move here to South Florida are typically pretty well off and are not significantly impacted by a few $100s increase in monthly expenses by the increase in percentage rates. Also, generally speaking, demand is so high here that if there's a property that has 4 or 5 able buyers, and now that number goes down to 2 or 3 able buyers, for example, because of the increase in interest rates, it's still very strong competition and prices are still stable or heading upward because you still have multiple able buyers bidding on the same properties. In addition, we're seeing a pretty decent amount of cash buyers who aren't even impacted by the rising rates. In the first quarter of 22, for example, to give you some stats, 55% of all Florida condo and townhouse sales were paid in cash. Certainly, if interest rates keep going up, yes, it will further impact the Miami condo market demand and overall Miami housing market. But so far, we have not seen a negative enough impact that would actually change the trajectory of prices going up and of the demand that is still far outpacing the supply, as we have very low inventory in both single-family homes and condos. So, if you're thinking about waiting out on this strong South Florida market, my advice would be, if you're gonna finance and can manage a few $100 increase in your mortgage, don't wait. You can always refinance later if rates go down. And if you're a cash buyer, know that the market so far remains strong, so come and make offers with that in mind. If you have questions about interest rates or buying and selling real estate in South Florida or in general, shoot your question to us below or reach out to us directly. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.